In our first folder, we have 2 HTML file and 1 image. So let me close this file menu. In this index.html, we have the content which is this is homepage. And in the profile.html, we have the content which is this is profile page. So let me go to the index.html file, add a break tag, and here write an anchor tag, and in the href attribute give the path of our profile.html file, and in between opening and closing anchor tag write go to profile page. Save the file. You can see a link which says go to profile page, and if I click on this, we are navigated to the profile page. Let me go back, and in the profile.html file, let's say we have a heading which is a h2 element with a text top, and it has a paragraph with 100 dummy words. So lorem 100, then hit enter. Let me enable the word wrap by clicking on the Alt and Z key at the same time, so the text is wrapped inside a VS Code window. After this paragraph tag, let's assume we have another h2 tag with the text middle, where let's say we have an image. Let me give the path of our image which is pic.jpg, and let me cut this alternative text and add the width attribute which would be 200 pixel. And after the image, let's say we have another paragraph with 50 words. So lorem 50, then hit enter. I save the file and go to the profile page. You can see we have a top section, then we have a middle section. We will add the bottom section later. First, let me tell you what I am planning to teach you in this video. So let me go back to the home page and look carefully. If I click on this go to profile page link, I am navigated to the profile page. I am in the top section. Let's say I want that I should be navigated to this profile page and in the middle section. So how will I do that? Let me go back to the home page again. So to go to the profile page and in the middle section, first we have to give a name to those sections. So I'm gonna write the anchor tag, and here I'm gonna give a name which will be top portion. I'm gonna give a name to this middle portion as well. So write the anchor tag, give a name attribute, and the value would be middle portion. If I save the file, there will be no change. As we have added name to those sections, now we can navigate to that page and that section at the same time. For that, let me write this path again. So first I'm gonna tell the browser to go to the profile page. So I'm gonna give the path which is profile.html. Our browser went to this location and rendered the profile page. Then I'm gonna tell the browser be on that page and find a section with the name middle portion. And if I save the file, so the browser will first go to this location and try to find an anchor tag with the name middle portion. So if I click on this link, you can see I am in the profile.html page and directly navigated to the middle portion. Let me write another heading in the profile.html with the text bottom. We will have a paragraph with 100 dummy words. So lorem 100, then hit enter. If I save the file, you can see in the profile page we have another section which is bottom section with a 100 words paragraph. We have to name this section. So I'm gonna write the anchor tag and I'm gonna write the name attribute, and I will give the value which will be bottom portion. Save the file and let me copy this anchor tag in the index.html and paste this after the first anchor tag, and between these two anchor tag let me write a break tag for a new line. Let me go back to the home page and refresh the page. You can see we have two links, go to profile page and another link which is go to profile page. I'm gonna replace this middle portion with bottom portion, and I'm gonna change this text as well, middle portion, bottom portion. Save the file. You can see two links. First link is go to profile page, middle portion. Then we have another link which is go to profile page, bottom portion. If I click on this go to profile page, middle portion link, I am navigated to the middle portion of the profile.html file. Let me go back, and if I click on this profile page, bottom portion, I am navigated to the bottom section of profile page. So this is how we can directly navigate to a section of another page.